Hello, so here is our circuit that consists of an input voltage source called as UIN, and we have a Zener diode, we have a resistor R, and the voltage is to be measured across this resistor R, that is the U out. So how to analyze this circuit? So we see that when the U in this input voltage is greater than the VZ or the Zener breakdown voltage of the diode gets reverse biased conduction. It conducts the current in a reverse bias because the voltage at the cathode is this voltage, which is greater than this voltage VZ. So with this situation, the diode starts conducting current and the loop is like this, and that current is your IZ, that is the current. Remember the characteristics of a Zener diode: you have a I, you have a voltage V, and in a reverse bias the IZ at VZ is this current. Large current flows, and this VZ is called as Zener breakdown voltage. So with that said, you have IZ flowing through R, that gives you IR drop, which is nothing but your V out, output voltage. So we actually can get the values of various currents and various voltage. So the current through the Zener diode is IZ, current through the resistor R is I, which is again IZ, voltage across R is V out, voltage across diode D is going to be VZ, that is, and the total voltage is VZ and the V out in the output side. However, at the input side, you can write the Kirchhoff's voltage law that helps us to sum all voltages drop in a closed loop, which is UN minus VZ minus IZ times R, or simply you can write VR or V out, simply V out, because IZ times R, this is not V out but this is U out actually, is equal to 0, because V out is IZ times R. Okay, and if you know the value of current, that would be simply UN minus VZ divided by resistor R, that is your current, total current flowing into the circuit. So you see, with simple breakdown and applying the KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law, and Ohm's law, you can evaluate various voltages and currents into the circuit through the simple circuit analysis. And remember, you need to know how the Zener diode works, how its breakdown occurs. With that, you can analyze electronic circuits and design accordingly. So hope you liked this video. If you did so, do share with your friends, colleagues, and like and comment on this video, and please subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned for more technical rich content. Till then, wish you happy learning.